Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to add the previous employment details of a particular employee in the employee directory application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the complete profile option for the account for whom the details need to be updated. Under the various categories that need to be filled, the user can click on the employment history option and the corresponding fields are displayed. Here, the user can add in the previous employment details and all the particulars related to that. If the user has worked in multiple organizations, then Add Experience button will be of help. And also, the details of the references for the particular employee can also be entered here. Once all the details have been employed, the Save and Next option can be clicked. And the employment history of the same is updated and a green tick verifies the same, and the complete profile percentage is increased for that particular employee. Thank you for watching.